Okay, let's do part 2. So number 4, the volume of Christian's fish tank, blah blah blah. Alright, fine. We're looking for the side of the other two. You know you have to divide. So let's do this one more time. 7. Oh no, I'm not gonna have enough space. We'll try to squeeze in. 7x squared plus 17x plus 6. Hey, at least they're all positives. So 7, 7, I know 7. That's easy. Like, I just need to make sure this turned out to be 7x fourth. So I need 1x squared. So 7x fourth, check. 17x cubed. 6x squared. Subtract. Gone. Negative 70x cubed minus 95x squared. Bring it down. Negative 10x, right? Shoop. Negative 70x cubed. Multiply that. Minus 170x squared. Multiply this. Minus 60x. Subtract. Gone. Negative 95 minus negative 170. That'll be positive. 75 x squared. 93 minus negative 60 plus 153x. Oh my, I made a mistake again, didn't I? I bet if you guys are watching the video, you must want to like tell me like, no, there's a mistake. Yeah, I know. That's the thing about video. Okay, let me check. I know I made a mistake because I was trying to do add in my head, and I know I made a mistake. Negative 95 minus negative 170. It's so sad I'm using calculator for those reasons. What? It's right. Oh my gosh. I made a mistake before then? Yep, I did. I totally did. So I'm sorry if you're trying to scream at me. I could not hear you because you're not here. I did make mistake right here, and I'm doing it on purpose, of course. Here, subtract 6 should not be 95. That should be negative 107. Yep. So negative 107 minus 170. Like, I knew it's not right because 75 is not divisible by 7. So that's just kind of, it's a clue. You know, it's okay to make mistake. You gotta celebrate your mistake. So negative 107 minus negative 170, that makes positive 63. Yes, that makes sense because now I know 7 times 9 is 63. And that must be 153x, and that is 54. See? It's okay to make mistake. You just know it's not right if you don't get the right nice numbers. Alright, so that's the other two sides combined. So now let's do AC. That's 9. B, that's negative 10. That's also nice. You just need positive 10 minus 1 to make positive 9. So I go over there. It'll be 1x squared plus 10x minus 1x plus 9. That's how I break the middle part into two parts. So doing again, x plus 10 negative x plus 10. That makes no sense. That makes no sense. What have I done this time? Oh my gosh. I am not. What did I do? It should work. Oh no. What have I done? Let me think. Oh, when I multiply, I don't get 9. What are you doing? I know, you want to tell me. I couldn't hear you. Okay, something that makes 9. 1 times 9. That's what I meant to do. See, I knew I didn't get it right because I wasn't gonna get nice numbers. So I had to check, and that's the way I checked. I had 10 and 1. That doesn't make 9, so that's crazy tough. Now when I factor, it will work. There were times when I restart a video like 50 times when I made mistake, but I like to show you all the mistakes that I'm making along the way. So there's the other two sides. Alright, factor the polynomial completely given that b minus 7 is a factor. Now, I am so done doing long division. I'm gonna do synthetic division because it will be much faster. But your step 1 is to solve for b. So 7 goes in my special box. We have 20, negative 133, negative 52, 21. Bring down the 20, you multiply. 140, we add 7, multiply. 49, negative 3, multiply. Done, right? It should be nice, all like no remainders. So we get 20x squared plus 7x minus 3, but we have to factor. Factor. So like everything we do, there's that factoring part. 20 times negative 3 is negative 60. B is positive 7. It'll be 15 times 4 makes 260. 60 times 10. Oh, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. 60. 10 times 6, not good. 5 times 15, no good. 3 times 20, no good. What is it? What makes 60? Can you call me if you have the answers? Okay, let's see. Every time I use the calculator, I'm like, so ashamed I'm using it for such like little things. It's not 6. It's not 5, is it? Oh, it is 5. Okay. 5, 12. Positive 12, negative 5. So 20x squared minus 5x plus 12x minus 3. 2, 5x, 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1. I need 3. So that makes 4x minus 1 times 5x plus 3. There you have it. Let's do it one more time. Oh my gosh. One more time. Step 1 tells me g is negative 8. Negative 8. 1. Tricky. We didn't have this on the unit test, but we'll have it on the skills check or retake. Missing d squared, so we're gonna put 0. Bring it, multiply it, add it, multiply it, add it, multiply it, add it. So I got this, right? Let's factor this. You know what? You have 1, so we do not have to waste our time. We could just find two things that multiply to make 7, but add to make negative 8. So negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. You add, that makes negative 8. Done. Moving on. Is that it? Is that it? Oh my gosh. I thought there was more to it. Okay, I'll come back for LT5. Bye.